Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. So let us draw this machine component. So the first, if you visualize this one, there is this largest diameter circle with 80 mm diameter, and this one inner circles with diameter of 22, and here diameter of 42, and here the outer part with diameter of 16, and this curve with a radius of 24. The distance between this the center of this circle and the center of the other circle is 106 mm. The distance between these two small circles, smallest circles, is just 8 mm diameter. The distance between the center of these circles and the center of the other circles, it is 38, and the distance between the center of these two circles and the center of this largest circle is 40 mm millimeter. So there is some, you have to create this one. There is 42 inner circle and 64 middle circle and 80 the outer circle. There is a part of this component with 88 mm width. So to create this one, first let us draw a center line. Go to line command and draw a center line. So to draw a center line vertically, you have to use this ortho mode, ortho on, to create a straight line vertically without any problem. So let us draw just such a center line. Then what you are going to do, just consider this center is the center of this largest circle. Then after taking this center as the first horizontal line of the center, as we said before, there is 40 mm distance between the second circles, these circles. So let us offset this one to the other side with 40 mm distance. So go to this offset command, and you have to give specify offset distance. Let me give it 40 mm. Then after that, let me offset this one 40 mm downwards. So that means this line has the line in which we create will find the center of these circles. The other thing we said, this is 106. So if you divide 106 into 2, you will find it 53, right? So you have to offset this line 53 to the left and 53 to the right to find the center of these circles. So let us go click here and let us give 53, 5-3 to the left and 5-3 to the right to find the center of these two circles. So let us draw the 3 circles, then we'll go to the bottom part. So the first one with 80 mm diameter, let us draw the outer circle. Circle command, then center diameter, and draw here 80 mm outer circle as shown here. Then let us go here down and let us draw the inner circle with diameter of 22. So go here, and where is its location? It is here. So 22, like this. I'm not sure. It is center diameter, center, then 22, like this. We draw like that, and then the outer one with as shown it is 42. So let us draw another circle as a center and 42 diameter. And then next, what you are going to do, copy this one like this and use copy command and hold it at the center and keep it here to the other side like this. So this is the position of these two circles with diameter of 42, another circle 42, like this. And then after that, let us draw with diameter of 64, another circle 64, diameter, another circle 64, like this. So next, what we are going to do with 8 mm width. So to do that, what we are going to do, we have to offset the center line into 8 mm to the right and 8 mm to the left. Go to offset command, and you have to give 4, because this is 8 to bottom, 4 unit to the upwards, 4 unit, total 8. So that means upward 4 units, and downward 4 units. Offset distance 4, just downward 4 units, as shown here. So what you are going to do, just trim the unwanted region. Let us go for trim, and let us trim this one. Let us trim this portion. So this is the part what we need right now. This is the part what we need right now, and as it is shown here. So this is the part. So what you are going to do, you have to select these portions like this, and then go to array command here, scroll it down, polar array. Then what it says, center point. Choose center point. You have to give it the center point. As just shown here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are not going to touch it. You'll keep it as it is. Then, but if you want to change these numbers, you can go for 7. If it go for 7, it will make it 7. If you go for 10, it will make it 10. But in our drawing just right now, we need only 6. So you have to keep it as 6. Like this. Then after that, we finish this part. Then what you are going to do, just go here, and you have to join these tangent lines. Then go to here, just make sure that in this object snap mode, you have to check the tangent is active. Don't use all these things. Whenever you need, just activate them. Whenever you don't need, just you deactivate them. Otherwise, just they will create some problems here. That's why I just deactivate them, and just activate tangent and intersection just right now. So this is the tangent. Then go to line, then join somewhere else, scroll somewhere else, it will join just like that with tangent line. The same thing, go here and touch somewhere else, it will join it with this such a tangent line. So as just shown here, we created this part. Then next, what you are going to do, just you can trim what you want, what you don't want, just like this. You can trim it. And so next, what we are going to do, let us draw these small circles. So these small circles are found 38 units down from the center of this middle circle. So let us offset this line 38 units down. So go to offset command here, then 38 mm, and go down like this. Then extend this one to find the centers. Go here, trim, extend it, extend command here, then touch this one, touch this one, touch this one. So as this shown here, we found 3 things, but now also you have to check this one. This is 80 mm, that means this circle, the center of this circle and the center of this circle, they are not from equal distance, because this one is 106 and this one is 80. So what you are going to do, just you have to offset this one 40 units to the left and 40 units to the right. So go to offset and offset distance, you have to give 40 units, then go here 40 units to the left and 40 units to the right, just like this. Then that means this is the center of the other circles. So go to circle command, center diameter, and it is not given how much dimension this circle has, so use 12 mm diameter. So go for 12 mm diameter, and then the outer circle, which is radius of 16, so go for circle radius, use this one as center, and then go for 12 mm radius as shown here. Then what you are going to do, just select these 2 circles, and then after that copy them and put them here, just like this, then enter. Then after that, what you are going to do, just remove the unwanted parts, just like go trim and just remove this part as this shown here. Here also the same thing. Remove anything that you don't want. Then after that, the same thing, use tangent, go to line, tangent here, and the same thing, tangent here. So you can remove this part. No, this one, sorry. This one we need it because this center will use the center, and we'll use the center. So by using this center, we have to draw this radius of 24 circles. So go to circle radius, here this one, 24, like this, right? This one, how much dimension it has? 24. This is mistaken because it is 32, so we have to modify this one. This one is 16 radius, that means it must be 32, so the outer circle is not correct. You have to remove this one. And let us draw it again, radius, and let us draw here. Let us give 16, 16. Yes, it is shown here, now it is touching this one. Then copy this one and move it here. So this is, I have to remove this again, and I have to modify it as tangent, this one with this one, and this one with this one. And as just shown here, after that you have to trim this region, this one. So this is the part, remove this one, remove this thing, remove what you don't want, just like this. So you have to remove a region that you don't want. So this is the final part. So it is like that. So you can draw this thing by using this method, and you can choose all these things, and you can use any specific you can use any specific type of layer, any specific layer that you want to use. This is the center, so you can create this part as is shown here. And if you want to give the dimensions, you can go for the dimension, and you can give the dimensions as you want. So linear dimensions, you can go for this one. This is 80, and this one is just 24. The inner circle, you can go here for 22. You can go for linear dimensions, just like between this and this. No, between this and this, ortho off, and you can specify like this one, and this one also radius of 24. You can come here and radius of 12. So if you like this video, you can also specify the inner circles just like this, and this one's outer circle also, it has a diameter of this one. This method, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much.